Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Xrecorder and the game are running. This sets app audio focus. Next, go into Xrecorder settings and select internal audio only so system sound is captured. Once done, grant any audio permissions and temporarily mute or disable the physical microphone to avoid bleed. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on so notifications do not steal audio focus. This sequence prevents the recorder from mixing mic input with game sound and prepares the device for clean internal capture. You now fine-tune recording parameters for best fidelity. Select the internal or system audio source in Xrecorder. This ensures only app/game output is captured. Then set bitrate to 128/256 kbps and sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz for clear sound without huge files. Once configured, enable the game overlay and verify Xrecorder has audio priority over other apps. If the game has its own audio settings, make sure volume is high enough because Xrecorder records whatever. You begin recording through the overlay and play a short in-game sequence as a test. This proves settings work. Once you stop, immediately play back the clip inside Xrecorder to confirm only game audio is present and levels are balanced. If you still hear microphone or system noises, make sure microphone is disabled, reselect internal audio source, or revoke and regrant audio permissions and retry. Finally, if notifications appear during testing, enable Do Not Disturb. That single tip prevents unexpected sounds from spoiling recordings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.